How do I explore the new Saga liquidity layer, and what is there to do on the liquidity layer? We've created a new page on the Saga website called Explore SagaEVM. And this page is going to take you through the entire process of how to bridge in and start interacting on the dApps on the Saga eco. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is get an EVM compatible wallet. Now this could be a MetaMask wallet or a Rabby wallet. If you're somebody who has Saga tokens, you're used to interacting with a Kepler wallet, maybe a Leap wallet, but you're going to want to bridge in so that you can actually take advantage of the dApps happening on the Saga liquidity layer. To interact with the Saga EVM, you need to bridge your assets in. This is the Squid Router bridge. This is the place where you can bring your assets in from any other ecosystem outside of Saga onto the Saga EVM. So you can start interacting with dApps earning yield, LP, anything that you want to do. The first thing you want to do is bring your assets in, right? So I have Saga assets within my Kepler wallet. I've already connected it to it. I want to go ahead and grab the Saga mainnet chain, which is where my assets live, and bridge them into the Saga EVM chain. This is the liquidity layer where all of the Saga DeFi apps live. You can find the Saga EVM chain right here. And I'm bridging in, obviously, Saga tokens into there. Should be done in about 40 seconds. My tokens are now fully bridged over, and it's time to get trading. Best place to interact, to trade, and to get deeper into the ecosystem is through Oku. Oku is a trading platform built on Uniswap v3. I've signed in with my EVM wallet here. I've got my 999 Saga tokens, and I really want to LP to earn yield on one of the pairs within the Saga eco. I want to earn on the Saga and Ethereum pair, and so I'm going to trade some of my Saga tokens over for Ethereum. This is going to find you the best deal for it, the best route going through Uniswap v3, and boom, just like that, all my tokens are traded. So now I'm going to zoom back over and figure out, okay, I've got some tokens that I traded on this Saga ecosystem. Now what can I do with it? If you scroll down here, you can add some of these popular tokens to your wallet. These are ones that you're probably going to be interacting with if you're on the Saga EVM. As more tokens come online and we add more pairs, you're probably going to see this page continue to expand. Down here, we have our popular dApps within the Saga ecosystem. Automated liquidity vaults here rewards ecosystems where you can earn incentives. Today, I'm going to be using Beefy. Beefy is an automated liquidity vault. And what I really want to do is LP on one of these pairs. I like the Saga WETH pair. I want to start earning yield. So I go into this vault, I want to bring in my Saga tokens, and I want to bring in my WETH tokens as well. We're going to go ahead and deposit them. All right, as you can see, my deposit's confirmed, which is awesome. I can zoom over to my dashboard here. I can see my LP position, my P&L so far, and I can even see my APY as it's coming in and look at my daily yield. This is the fastest way to get into the Saga ecosystem, to bridge in your assets and start earning yield today.